Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn Learning detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the LinkedIn Learning website. In the top right corner, you will see a sign in button. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the LinkedIn sign in page. If you already have a LinkedIn account, enter your email address or phone number in the first field. Then, type in your password in the second field. If you do not have a LinkedIn account, click on the Join Now link to create one. Once you have entered your login information, click the Sign In button. If you are logging in for the first time, you may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your email for a verification message from LinkedIn. Follow the instructions in the email to complete the verification process. After signing in, you may be greeted with a welcome message. You should now be on the LinkedIn Learning homepage. Explore courses by browsing through categories or using the search bar. If you are part of an organization that provides access, ensure you log in through your organization's portal. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and try again. You can also reset your password by clicking on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Now that you are logged in, you are ready to start learning through LinkedIn Learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.